It's cute. Favorite. What's yours? Sweet potato.
Potato and
Eggs. Mine is longanisa. It's really near. Walk.
oh, how long is the bridge?
Are you excited?
Oh no.
Gee.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye. Walang crocodile. Hi, doggy. Ha? Nandun sa Manila.
This is proper or not?
This is?
Deep.
No, it's not.
Okay.
Yeah.
And I take you a couple pictures.
Ready for picture?
Yes, so.
I'm making video of you. So you know how you look like. Wow. You can go first, babe. I will not move.
To go? Sure.
Yes. Oh, cliff.
That is a rock climbing, so going up there.
Ah!
Yeah. And actually they have a good sunrise in the top of
Ah!
Peak.
I saw that in video.
Yeah.
The climbing.
Need to be expert.
Say hi.
Hi.
Here in Taral Cliff. Oh.
And over there, ma'am,
Hmm?
we have a different limestone here. So the dead limestone and alive limestone. So this one, they call the alive limestone. They
Live.
grow like 1 inches every year.
Okay.
And actually this one, this is a dead limestone. They cannot grow, but they make sounds like a metal.
Yeah.
They grow up.
No, the live only, babe.
This one.
This is the live.
Okay.
Wow.
That's nice.
Yeah, over there.
Oh, it's like
Wow.
The island mountain over there, the big mountain there.
Yeah.
The name of the mountain is Kadlaw Island.
Kadlaw.
Kadlaw Island is from the dialect of El Nido. The
For
name of Kadlaw.
Kadlaw means
Yeah, smile.
smile.
Yeah, Smile Island.
Babe, smile. Smile.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
we arrived, I think, right?
Yeah, almost.
Doon talaga sa taas.
May ba?
Kasi medyo mainit po dyan at dito sa kabila. Mainit-init po.
It's a little bit hot. It's okay? There?
Butterfly.
Where?
Behind you.
Really?
I did not see that.
And here, I take you a photo.
Yeah, for memory. You did it! Yay!
Siya po yung dating, hindi ko lang sure ngayon kung mayor pa siya.
Ah,
Mayor
okay.
po ng Bukidnon.
Taga Bukidnon po ako.
Taga Bukidnon ka ba?
Opo, Manila Fort Beach. About 20 minutes from the Dahilayan.
And then, meron lang po siyang 6 na pera, 6 person lang po sila na gumawa nito. And pinil po nila
I'm not
ito
take photo
ng
there.
4 months.
Built in
But we need to pass there.
persons. Sabi niya, kasi napunta kami ng India, kaya tinukumpare namin. Kesa pupunta kami sa Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Bali. Sabi niya,
Ta-na-na-na, dun dun dun. Ah. Wow. Parang may-ari to ng basketball ah. Hercule. Wala.
Asa no 電車ぎゅっと押し込む